Running time, first 10 minutes. Jump ball. Pinsoy. Japoy, point guard. Pass to Mab. And to Hansel. Kick out to Marcelino fake. And shot.
What a shot by Marcel.
Michael. To Noe. To Tata. Ang ganda naman noon ng cut na yun.
Gawin, hindi yan tumatakbo. No look pass to Francis for 2. 2 points, sino yan?
Maraming sponsor ng D-Wave dito ah. Ace. Open 3.
Ay, gandang rainbow shot. Yan, yung steal. 3 against 2. Kuya Ricky.
Pass to Francis.
Rebound by Bobby. Pass to Francis.
And Noe with the back. Noe again the rebound. Good hustle. Yeah, ikaw to Jempoy. Jericho. Atake. Jericho. And 2 points. Jericho matake na. Jericho to Maverick. Ang gandang pasa nun. 3 on 2. Fast break. Rian. Pasa kay Jericho. Ang ganda. Judelia. Corner 3. Maverick.